Today we are at the Royal National Hotel and this is a single room. As you can see, we've got a wardrobe, quite a lot of space there. Got a single bed with a phone, two pillows, some lights. Have a look at this bed, shall we? Got mattress protector. Yeah, looks reasonably clean. Got a desk, a chair, and a bin. Got a side of something. Put a suitcase on to pack, I suppose. Tea, coffee, and sugar. Like, giving too much. Anyway, yeah, cup's clean. Let's have a look at the kettle. Yeah, kettle's clean. Hairdryer. And TV, which the remote is here. Let's have a look. Ooh, smart TV as well. So, okay to watch. Okay.
As being like a searchlight. He saw her immediately.
Well, it says smart TV, but
to the hearts of millions of people was herself alone and far off. He knew then.
Isn't a smart TV up remote? So, isn't that smart? Has lovely curtains. Window. And there's my view of the BT Tower, which, rest in peace, our Queen. Not too bad of a view, actually. Another window there. Looks a bit like water up there. In the gutter. Radiator. Don't know. There's no to turn it down or thermostat basically to turn it up or down. Right, so we've got ring light as well, which that's it. That's your room light. Right, let's have a look at the bathroom, shall we? Ooh, where's our light? There we are. It says sink. Looks reasonably clean. And hand and body cleanser. Hand towel. Bath towel. Glass. Looks pretty clean. Bath. The shower. And you've got hand and body cleanser and hair wash. Yeah, pretty clean. Looks pretty clean. And we've got a towel for the floor. Curtain looks reasonably clean as well. That's pretty. Oh, they've done that. That is pretty. So impressed with that. I really normally get the triangle if. Well done for the person who done that. It's lovely. we've got a bin, and we've got a toilet. Looks a bit chipped there. Toilet looks pretty clean. Yeah, looks pretty clean behind, which is good. So yeah, got a light there. Got a shaver's plug there. So yeah, quite good. Good room really. And you also have your online guest services, which I was pretty annoyed with because on their website it said that it was complimentary breakfast, and when checked in, basically they've said it's £15 for the breakfast. I presume £15 each day as well. So I wasn't impressed. So if you do book here, be careful, because breakfast is not included unless you pay for it. So I ask that you subscribe and like and share my page, as I'm trying to get out in the YouTube world, and I will be grateful to you all, and I'm grateful to all of you that watch anyway and subscribe and like my videos, and I will see you soon on the next video. Thanks for watching.